Hello guys and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you could fix the problem of a hard disk or an SSD or a USB memory or an SD card not showing in your computer. So whenever you plug it, you don't see your device and you cannot use it. So to fix that, make sure to plug first your USB or your storage device, and then we will go to the search tab and we will type disk management. Once done, this option of create and format hard disk partition will appear, and just click on it. This little window will show up and we'll wait until it loads. It might take a little bit of time based on how big is your storage device and how fast is your computer. Now what we're going to do, we'll make sure that your device is unallocated. Just click with the right button of the mouse, click new simple volume, and click next, next. Select any drive letter for your device and click next. Please note that this will format your device, so all the data which you have inside it will be lost forever, so you cannot recover the data. If you are sure to do that and you want to do that, just click next and click finish. Once done, the operation of formatting will take few seconds up to few minutes, and the operation should be completed. Once completed, you will see in your PC shortcut your device appearing again, and your device will be fully usable again. So let's click, and now you can send and save data inside your device. I hope this video was useful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or leave us an email and we will do our best to help you. And if you would like to encourage us and help us, you can always click like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos, but also to get our support. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.